How to use a trickle charger. A guide by Wilcox Limousines. Even when parked, modern hearses and limousines continue to draw battery power through alarms, keyless systems, and onboard electronics. For vehicles that are used intermittently, this silent drain can lead to warning lights, electrical fault messages, and unexpected no-start situations. The battery may be located either at the front or rear of the vehicle. Ensure the vehicle is completely switched off. Attach the red clamp to the positive terminal. Attach the black clamp to the negative terminal, or approved ground. Then plug the charger into the wall outlet. A solid or blinking light confirms charging. When disconnecting, unplug from the wall first, then remove the black clamp, followed by the red. If you are using a true trickle charger with automatic maintenance mode, the vehicle may be left connected safely while parked. If your charger only offers higher charge settings, follow the manufacturer's recommended time limits, and do not leave the vehicle connected long term. By keeping an eye on your battery health, you can ensure your fleet remains reliable, dependable, and ready to serve with dignity and respect.